fish. Hello. My God. Get ready to catch her. Come on over there. She's done better though. Look at your ugly pillowcase. That's gross. Why did you catch her?
I tried.
You did not. You're too busy about taping them.
She's freaking nuts.
Spider. Oh,
This pea.
well, that big of a thing?
Yes.
Joseph, what a waste. It is. Hold her.
She's making her rounds.
Yeah, there you go. Hold her to let her know. Ruby's almost done.
Ruby's not done yet, so Amy's going after all Ruby's food.
She's almost done. Good girl, Remy, all done. Ruby, almost all done. Yeah, good girl, Remy. Remy, good girl, you're a good girl. No more up there. No more up there. Stay. Stay. Yeah, you ate so fast. Yeah. Yay.
Oh.
This is damaged Shayla. All gone, Remy. None there. None over there. All done. All done. All done. You get them fresh water, please?
Yep.
They're done.